What's up guys, this is iDeviceLab009 and in today's video I'm going to show how to downgrade iPhone 4S to any version you want fully untethered. So let's get started. So if you watched my previous video, which was about 3 months ago, you know that I downgraded the iPhone 4S from iOS 9.3.6 to iOS 6.1.3 and the new exploit has been discovered that allows you to downgrade the iPhone 4S and iPod Touch 4 to any iOS version untethered, which was discovered by Synacac, De Rebus Antiquis V6, and Synacac is the same developer that made Checkmate A5, which we will need in this video. And also shout out to Luke ZGD for Legacy iOS Kit and porting the exploit into it. And here's the wiki page for DRA V6. And let me show you how to get everything set up. So for Legacy iOS Kit, you will click on code and download zip. I already have it downloaded, so I will stop, but you will have a folder on your desktop, which is this one right here. And also you need to go to ipsw.me, click on the iPhone and scroll down until you find the iPhone 4S, and you need to download the iOS 6.1.3 IPSW, which is this one right here. Click on download and it should start downloading. I already downloaded it, so I will stop. You will also need to download the target IPSW, which is any version that you want. I will select 5.0. I will download this as well. I already have it downloaded, so I will stop. But once you have those installed, plug in your iPhone 4S to the computer, and as you can see, I am on iOS 9.3.6. and let's go into terminal, type cd space and drag and drop the legacy iOS Kit folder and click enter, and now do /restore.sh and click enter. And there we go. I will go to restore downgrade and DRA V6. And before we do this, I recommend that you put your device into Powning DFU mode using your Arduino Uno or Raspberry Pi Pico. They are more stable than KDFU mode, which I explained how to do in the iPhone 4S video, but I can quit Legacy iOS Kit and put our device into DFU mode. So hold both power and a home button for 10 seconds until the screen goes black. Then wait 2 seconds, let go of the power button and keep holding the home button, and Finder should pop up saying we are in recovery mode. Perfect. Now we can close Finder, and I am going to disconnect my iPhone 4S from the computer and plug in the Arduino. It's connected, and now let's go into Checkmate A5. Checkmate A5 .ino, and let's open it and click on the X, and do not install anything because this will break the exploit. And as you can see, I have the Arduino connected, and let's click on upload. It's going to say compiling sketch, uploading. If you get an error, go to tools and make sure that the board is selected. Let's click upload once again. Perfect, it's now done uploading. So I can take the USB and plug it into the Arduino, and make sure that you change the CPID to your correct version. Click on Alt and go to the Apple logo, click on System Information and go to USB, and you will see Apple Mobile Device DFU mode, and here is your CPID 8940, and make sure that you change this into the Arduino. I can disconnect the Arduino, put aside, and now plug in the iPhone 4S. I can close the library manager and open up Legacy iOS Kit. And now we are pawned with Checkmate, so you can go to restore downgrade, DRA V6, any iOS. So now I need to select the target IPSW, which is the version that we want to downgrade to, which is 5.0 in my case. And now I need to select the base IPSW, which is 6.1.3, and now we can start the restore. Here it will ask you if you want your device to be jailbroken. I will say yes. If you have more than 8 GB of RAM, you can say yes, otherwise say no. And the verbose boot is the option that literally shows you text all over the screen. I will say no because it gives us a cleaner look. Now it should start the restore. Perfect, the restore has finished and we should now boot into iOS 5.0. There we go. Let's set it up. English, Romania, disable location services. Okay, let me connect to Wi-Fi. Set up as new iPhone. Skip this step. Skip. Agree. Agree. Don't send. And start using iPhone. And there we go. If I go into settings, general, about, iOS 5.0, and it is untethered, meaning that you do not need the computer to boot. It's fully untethered and you can power the device off and on as many times as you want. We have Cydia as well, but there we go. This is actually awesome. I can't wait for more devices to be supported, ranging from A5 to A6 devices. I will do another video about the iPod Touch 4. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.